Alright, I'm here at one of my other accounts. It's been 2 weeks again, as the last time we met and you guys saw the video, you'll see that I explained that the windows stayed clean for 2 weeks. Now, I haven't done anything else with Sorbo solution. I haven't put any soap in it. I haven't hindered it in any way. I will be trying it out without the glide, just to see how well the squeegee moves and how well it doesn't keep the windows wet longer, just to see if I notice a big significant difference or a slight difference, and I'll give y'all some feedback of this soap straight. That was a suggestion by Robert, and it didn't occur to me to try it that way because they just go well together. So I just figured I'd use it since they go well together. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna see how well it looks 2 weeks later. The outside, like I said, this is a maintenance, so it doesn't mean if I can avoid folding the windows in and doing the outside, I'll just stick to the inside where fingerprints. And people are just starting to sit down inside without their masks, so I imagine there isn't many fingerprints yet except for on the doors, but we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna see how clean these windows stayed again. And it's been raining. This is outstanding. Let's raise this up so you can just see a little better. That is spotless, yo. That is spotless. This is outstanding. See? Work smarter, not harder. That's work for me. Y'all think I'm just spitting BS, man. When I try to tell y'all something, I'm trying to steer y'all in the right direction. Now, what works for me may not work for y'all. Y'all might not like a clear solution. But if you want to keep yourself from scrubbing the heck out of the window, and if you're a maintenance service, why not make it easier on yourself? They're going to get the service done no matter what. But that's it. I got some other videos coming up about Sorbo's hard rubber now. That was the new formula. The rubber I had in there that I spoke about was the old formula, and it was the soft. And that's not the correct one for that kind of a tool. A harder one would be better, so we're gonna throw one in there. I have some being sent to me, and that's gonna be in the contest for the giveaway. Sorbo's hard rubber, the new formula. That I think y'all would like. I think I would like that better anyway. Alright, this is Master at Wagtail. See y'all on the next one.